to sleep. I think you're having a nightmare.
മോഹൻ ജി ദാരു.
the daytime in the middle of the road, someone tried to attack the women. The paper is full of nuisance. News after news, it's very bad. Auto driver kidnapped the women and tried to abuse her. Oh, this is too much. 16-year young girl escaped with her boyfriend.
This has become very common these days.
Yes.
They take their things and move out of the house. They will become friendly with someone else and move on in life.
Let them enjoy, I say. This is not the old times.
There's a limit for everything. It's
Oh.
becoming too much. These modern girls are crossing their limits. If we go on like this, our place will become like Bangalore City.
Wherever you go, there will be this kind of problems.
Yeah.
If you go to park, they will be there. If you go to beach, they will be there. Even in cinema theater, they will be
Is
there.
it
If
so?
you go to shopping mall, they will be there.
Right.
Just for the relaxation, if you stand in the beverage queue, they will be there too.
You mean beverage queue? How is it possible?
Yes. When we patiently waiting in the beverage queue, they will tempt us with their catwalk. We lose our concentration too.
Yeah, you're right.
What should I say? It's a bad world. Now they have started kissing on roads. It's a bad world.
No one else but their parents should be blamed for their behavior in our society.
Why are you blaming only the girls? Boys are the ones who take them, right?
If the boys come and call, why should the girls go with them? Huh? That's right. If the girls become strict, then boys can't play with them.
Okay, tell me, why do these girls roam around with the boys? When everyone gets to know, she blames him for everything in the name of teasing.
Why you people are strongly opposing love? Are you against love?
You know, I really hate these girls, uncle. Looking at them gives me the creeps.
Which part?
It's not what you're thinking about, uncle. You're too much.
Okay, you're talking as if you're a noble man. If a girl comes forward, you will take her. No.
We are not getting any girl.
You are jealous, fellow.
Yes, I am jealous. If we didn't get anything, others should not get it.
Is it so?
No one should fall in love. If they do, we will separate them.
That's it.
Hi.
Nothing special. If it is true love, we can support them. But it is not like that. They'll look at 4 guys. They'll love 3 guys. They'll roam with 2 guys. Finally, they'll marry and settle with the last guy.
Brother, is it a tea or a hot water?
It's a hot water, hot water.
Isn't the tea ready yet?
Here it is. And look here. For tea and snacks, the bill has crossed 50 rupees.
Are you kidding me? 3 teas and snacks cost 50 rupees?
Listen to me. For 3 snacks and 3 tea, it is only 30 rupees. But your non-stop account is there, no? There is no more place to write it down. To purchase a new book, it will cost 20 rupees. Do you understand me?
Hey, Tushara came here.
I don't know whether he came or not, but Sarama left.
Hey, where were you? I didn't see you for so long. Don't you have any punctuality?
Hey, look at him. I came at 7 o'clock in the morning. I didn't even brush my teeth. You know that?
So pathetic. How I look like super, no?
You look more like a dummy.
You look funny. Where did you get this shirt and pant? You should have worn green pants.
For what?
If you walk around, people will start thinking you're a parrot.
Oh God.
For that we need luck, you know? You just see just how deal with the girls.
After some time, her dad will deal with you.
After that, the people will deal with you.
That's why you are remain worthless, fellow. Go. Go for any work.
You go to work, man.
I didn't go for any job. You know, I give work for others.
Yeah, that I can see. I can see that you're a troublesome man.
Little try.
Kill you.
Here, have some.
Hey, what is this?
It's a tasty snack. It's called Bonda.
I don't want this.
Okay, I'll have it.
These onions, when it's eaten fresh,
It's very hot, right?
it's not hot, it's cold.
Then you give me one.
Huh? Sure.
Ooh. He eats like a street dog.
Bonda is also tasty. In the morning time, you should not take oily food. Cholesterol will rise.
Then take this one too. Cholesterol and sugar will be high.
You're crazy.
Let me move to her and say I love you to her. By the way, Tushara.
Hey guys, everything is over. I think today he'll make it.
My dear Shushil, she is already liking him. Today he will propose her. They will join together and walk together in front of us. What we will do?
Hey, don't you worry.
Huh?
Nothing will happen.
Hi, hello, Tushara. I have been waiting for long. I just want to tell something.
I'm little busy.
Green and green is very match, no? Is it right or not? Where you're trying to go? Hey, don't go. I want to tell something. Stupid fellows.
What did you do to him? Huh?
In the bonda is eaten, I fixed a small bomb.
Bomb?
Oh no. She's always coming in a vehicle. Today, we should do something. I need to tell you something.
What are you doing?
Mom, you will not understand this.
What you have written in this?
Oh, this. It says मुझे कुछ कहना है. It means you have to drive your vehicle on the left side of the road.
He has washed his scooter nicely. Painted in yellow color.
Dad, I'm taking your vehicle.
I need it to go to my office.
That's what I'm taking.
Where are you going?
Kavita.
Kavita? What Kavita?
Oh, Dad, it's not with Kavita. I'm going to Kavita Theatre. I like to go to movie with Kavita, but she's not responding.
Always crazy about movies.
Okay, go. I'll slowly follow you.
मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे कुछ कहना है.
Where did she come from? Did she notice me? दिल तो पागल है. My heart is mad about you.
Stephen.
Brother, one girl is coming here. She is a Christian for sure because she's wearing a cross. In front of her, I want the both of you to call me Alex, okay?
What? Malex, huh?
Not Malex, Alex.
Every night in my dreams, I see you.
The bus hasn't come.
Hey, Alex, do you really go to the church regularly?
Not regularly, but sometimes.
You're going in the morning or in the evening?
I always go in the evening.
What do they give for redemption?
Appam and sweet.
Oh. Festivals are celebrated in grand manner, right?
My God, it was really crowded. A 10 days program. We celebrated it nicely.
When is the last day of the program?
Like always, the program will come to an end on Pongal. I really like your smile. This will definitely not work out. Come, we'll have some coffee. Sir? Sir, can we please go?
Hey, come here.
Uh,
Don't call me without any respect, okay? My parents has given me respectful name, huh? Call me Wilfred D'Souza.
how did Shashi's son Satya become Wilfred D'Souza?
Hey, if you pull like this, it will break off.
No problem. Let it break.
Hey, come on, pull it, guys.
Walk fast.
We shouldn't do like this, guys.
Why?
What you're doing is sort of ugly, boys.
What do you mean ugly? If you don't get anything to eat for lunch, you won't call it ugly. You should be willing to do any work. If you're lazy, you'll never get anything to eat. Will your girlfriend give you anything?
Hey, what are you saying?
By luck, they came and asked me, is there any good place?
How you managed to get this place here?
It came from the sky.
Really?
If things don't go according to your plans, you have to cheat them. Do you understand?
Okay, what is this item?
Item?
I'm asking what is inside the pipe.
Septic waste.
What?
In short, drainage cleaning.
Drainage cleaning? No!
I won't work with this fellow.
We are ready. Just on the switch.
Shit, why he has become like this? Sushil, don't cheat us like this, okay?
You're doing dirty jobs.
Huh?
Dirty jobs. Is there any dirt on this?
There is no dirt in that.
Hey, who are they?
No problem, let them come. Come on.
Hurry up, fast!
I'm not coming, I'm staying here only.
Get on the bike!
This is enough to sit like this.
You idiot, get on the bike!
Then you should tell it clearly.
Hey, asking you to come over here!
Start the bike. We'll go.
Hey! Hey, don't leave me like this! Hey! I'm coming! Hey, stop!
Hey! Hey! Stop! Hey, bloody fellow!
Hey!
Stop! Hey, don't go!
Hey, what's happening there? Why people are standing?
Hey, don't stop, don't stop!
Hey, where are you going?
I'll tell you. They have left all the non-veg waste here.
They put it over here.
Then I should keep on your head.
You have done a very bad thing.
What bad?
is this? How can you do like this?
Do you know how to eat chicken?
Yes, I will eat
Then
chicken.
where will you put the wastage?
Yeah, I'll show where I will put the waste.
Hey, leave the bike. Go! Come here. Leave me. Please, don't beat me. No, don't hit me. It's biting. Please leave it. Oh, God. It's biting. I will show you later. Mother.
What you did was wrong, my friend.
Why are you saying like that?
Both him and us do the same business. We shouldn't have disposed the
See
waste
that?
over there.
That guy is waiting there.
This guy is the biggest waste on this earth. Where will we dispose him? Oh my, who's this? You look like a hero, wearing a gold chain and all.
So what, man? Did you have anything for lunch? Is there any temple giving free food?
Don't tease us like this. Huh. Do you know how many people in this world suffer without food? You should be blessed to get it from the temple.
That's right.
We can save the money too.
Hey, stop it. We didn't ask you anything, right?
You got a good physique. Better you go for any job and earn money.
How dare you say that? I won't leave you.
Hey,
man,
cool.
Be calm.
Leave it. Hey, come here. We'll have tea.
From here Bullshit. Even my dog won't drink here. Country fellows. Look at the old guy standing over there. I think he have taken bath for 4 or 5 days. Even in the glasses, there will be so infectious and germs.
Don't forget, even you used to have it here.
Burger, pizza, sandwich.
You've seen the front side of these shops, right?
Front side is personality. Back side is municipality.
Huh. Do you know what this fellow's eating? He will take a dry bread and in the middle keep some cabbage, garlic, onion. They will be finely chopped. After that, on top of that, they'll keep another bun and will eat it. It will cost 500. They have made several eatables like this to cheat the healthy people.
They'll sue the hotel and they'll close it for selling all non-vegetarian dishes.
Really?
That's right. When you eat the chicken, there was a lot of germs in that. Infectious worms and germs from chicken bones here and there. Once you two had vada and tea, right? Nowadays he only eats pizza.
Oh, girls. Oh. Hi. Shall I drink some amount of water? This is not a Pepsi, it's a Red Bull. Hari, last week you were here?
Yes, I was here. You weren't here.
Is it so? Yeah, I wasn't here. I have gone to Bangalore. My client had some doubts. I just went there to clear that doubts. Traveling is not a problem for me at all. You know that very well. Bombay, Delhi, Chennai, Calcutta, etc. I went there for many times. Hello sir, I am coming on the
Where
way.
he's working?
Bangalore!
Did you see the phone he's using? China phone. Worthless.
Gentlemen like us should use larger phones like this.
Yes.
For example, Tab. Tab.
Go to Facebook. No, WhatsApp.
Tell me one thing at a time, okay? I'm getting confused.
Okay, go.
Okay, go to WhatsApp. Oh, WhatsApp.
It's not WhatsApp, it's WhatsApp.
Hey, download that image.
Don't spoil our image, okay? You know something? We can chat through this. Gonna give it a try. The best part is we can talk online.
Yes.
Tab.
Come here. Huh? Who took pictures of these girls? Whoever did that, come forward. Are you the one who took the pictures?
No, sir.
Hey, then why did you come forward? Taking pictures of girls is your hobby, right?
We didn't take the snap, sir.
You rascal, don't bluff. I just received a complaint.
Who complained, sir?
And what is your name?
My name is Trushilan.
Sushilan. Then you must have some good habits. What is your name?
My name is Satyabalan.
What?
Satyabalan?
Then you must be speaking the truth alone.
Yes.
And what's your name?
Harichandran, sir.
Who gave these names to you guys? Where are you guys staying now?
Decent street.
Where is it?
Decent street.
book.
Show me the photographs.
We don't have a photo of decent street. Am I right, buddy?
No,
yeah,
no.
we don't
yeah,
have.
we don't have. We don't have it, sir.
Hey, I'm gonna kick you.
I'm not lying.
Take it out.
We don't have it.
Hey!
No.
How can I take a photo with this phone?
What is this? Huh? Come on, take your phone.
Phone.
What is that delay? Come on, give it.
Sir,
What are you doing with these phones, huh? Well, now you're left. Show me your phone now.
I don't have a phone, sir.
Come on, get it.
I don't have phone, sir.
I'm gonna...
sir,
Hey,
he
what,
doesn't
sir?
have a phone, sir.
Sir, tab. Smartphone. Sir, these guys are having everything.
Oh, really?
Sir, I don't have any tabs, sir.
Yeah, he's right.
Is he having it?
Yes, sir. This
No,
fellow
no,
is
no,
having
I
it.
don't have a
Come on,
tap.
get it out.
I
Come
don't
on,
have a
do
tap
it now.
I swear.
Do you want me to take it out?
Sir, look at that.
Come on,
Check
show it to
okay.
me.
Sir, it's not working, sir.
Attukal temple on the 2nd, and on the 9th it's Parangara temple. On the 20th it is Muttumariamman temple. Are you trying to cheat me? Hey, you're planning to go there and steal the temple's donation money, am I right? Come on,
sir,
come on
it's
with
not
it.
like that,
It's
sir.
not like that. I swear.
I think you guys are making a lot of money like this, huh?
No, sir. Free food.
What food?
Sir, we used to go to the temple and have free food, sir.
Yes, sir. During lunchtime, we'll be there, sir, for free.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we got another guy who teased a girl, sir.
What is his name?
Sandeep.
Oh, Sandeep, is it? Let me see him.
Yes, I am Sandeep.
Sandeep. Good. Hey, I'll deal with you guys later. And one more thing. If I ever see you roaming around in front of the women's college or behind the ladies' hostel or in the backside of a transport bus or in the private bus.
The front side.
Exactly. If I see you in the front side, after that, below your knees, you won't find anything. Okay?
Right, sir.
Sandeep, get in the car. Come on, go. And you get my bike, okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
what is your name, sir?
My name?
Yes.
I am S.I. Shantan.
What an amazing name.
Shut your mouth, idiot.
Come on, have this tea. Hold this. See, I'm there for all problems. Hey, please believe me. Buddy, if she leaves you, just leave it. There are a lot of girls. Just look out me. I was playing with the girls just like anything. Actually, what was your problem?
Every day, she's in front of my eyes. Forget about get along. I'm not able to talk to her properly. But I'm talking to her daily, but inside my heart. Slowly, she too understood my instincts. We haven't talked even for a single second. But her eyes is giving me a lot of confidence. So, finally, I thought to meet and to propose her. Kaho na pyar hai. Tell me you love me. Brother, please move, please. From that moment, she disappeared from my eyes. Until now, I didn't see her. I really don't know whether she loves me or not. But after all these things, I'm missing her and I'm waiting for her. Oh, it's her vehicle, right? मैं हूं ना I'm with you.
Do you know her?
Huh? Yes, I know. I've been seeing her for 2 months.
2 months? She expired 2 years before.
2 years?
How you got introduced?
We were in the same college.
Yes, BSc.
You were studying entrance coaching, right?
That was like all in the same premises. I was in the ground floor and he was in the first floor.
Oh.
As in same college.
Brother, vehicle.
Hello, this is not the bus stop. You must go over there.
I meant 1T.
Speak properly in English.
Learn
Learn English. Come on, have it for free.
Cutie. You didn't get my point what I said. I said 2T. 2T. Now you understand what I said?
Oh, I did not know you were from abroad. Just wait, I will get it.
Brother, 10T.
What? What did he say? Go away from here.
Brother, I'm asking 10T. 10T.
Oh, tea.
Take it. Someone murdered tea shop owner.
Come. Let's go.
Hey, hello. Is this also credit? All you fellas are daily drinking it in credit. I am also smart.
Big deal if you know English. Go to the sea and jump into it. Go swim over there.
He's just a
let's
team
go.
master. He doesn't know how to swim.
Did you get anything? I asked you, did you get anything? So many days we were stuck over here. Did we get anything?
We didn't even get a girl at least.
You know what's the reason for that? That's because we don't have any money with us. A man with money has values.
Hey, it's not like that. For true love and affection, money is not a problem.
Where is the true love, buddy? All the girls are so fake.
There are girls with true love also.
I don't see them.
For true love and affection, there is a value forever.
You're right, there's a big value for that. But do you have money to get that?
Do you have?
I'm not here to hear your lecture on love. I'm here to make some money, that's all.
How? By robbing a bank?
Don't talk nonsense.
Then we'll break the ATM.
Shit. No one has robbed an ATM machine, do you know that? That's really difficult.
Shall we took the ATM with us, huh?
When someone comes to withdraw the money, we'll rob the money from them.
Shut up, guys! Won't you leave a man to live happily in this world? And you're planning to break an ATM. All the robbers got caught by the police. We should not do anything illegal. At present, we doesn't have any cases. Please don't make a mistake and create one. I don't want to go to jail, please!
No one has been caught here. How do people have so much money with them these days? You know these ministers have crores and crores of rupees. We are nothing in front of them.
Yes, they are all politicians and well-settled people. They can make it.
Then let's become the richest very earliest. Then we can rob it very easy, right? Huh?
You have no sense at all. You're stupid. Silly joke.
Look here, guys. I'll be back in a
Where
minute.
are you going?
I'll come.
Where are you going?
I'll tell you. I'll come.
Why he's going alone?
Come. Let's have tea. I saw Mehuna sticker, but you are hiding yourself. Just to make me scared?
Huh? What you said?
I mean the sticker on your scooter. Mehuna. Uh-huh.
My cousin did that. I don't know.
Then, what about my messages mounted on the stepney? You didn't see?
I've seen that. But it was so small. How can I see that?
Oh, I see.
Hari, what's your plan?
Oh, planning means. Actually. I.
Love?
Yes. I love you.
Look, Hari, everybody has the same. Sudden love, marriage. Oh. Look here, Hari, you doesn't have any job. My dad is a very positive person. Love marriage is not a problem for him. But how can I introduce you to my dad? If he's gonna ask me about your job, what can I reply? What should I say? Jobless or moneyless? Hari, what you need now is a good job, but you don't have that. Then what my father expects is status, money, bank balance, and a job. So let's be a good friends. After that, we'll think about the marriage.
Fair enough. I'll see you later.
Hari, just listen to me. 1 minute.
Sorry.
Hey! Hey!
Wait
Stop
a minute, man.
Stop there!
Wait.
Where were you been?
No, I went
We
to.
know. We saw everything. Who's that girl?
I went to see the girl I love.
Our friend is in love with that girl.
Love is not our cup of tea, okay?
If I like a girl, I'll definitely love her.
Wow!
We heard everything, buddy. You have a big house, a big swimming pool,
yes.
and lots of money. Check his wallet.
Let me check. Is there any bank balance? See the bank balance!
Poor chap, he doesn't even have a rupee with him.
Hey, all that we need is money. If we have got money, thousands of women come to us.
Yeah, he's right. Come on, let's go. We'll go
Without
have
our
some
knowledge,
tea.
he has fallen in love. Bloody fool. However, he lost his love affair.
She looks exactly like our ex-crush.
Yeah, that's right.
That time we unfortunately didn't have any
Yes.
money. We were completely dry then. Yeah, read it.
Nearby mountain downstairs, an idol made out of Panchaloga is found in isolated
It
bank.
costs crores and crores.
How does you know?
Everybody knows that.
Idiots.
Huh?
Hey, how can you say that? They
And
want publicity.
I think it is not publicity. Without awareness, they told this.
Oh. Even that's so costly. If we got one, we are settling the life.
Hey, what are you saying? Where can we sell this? Police will immediately arrest us.
Not like that. We can try, we can make it out.
Who got it in the well seen that? Even the owner was on the top. It can be divided into 3. Idiotic fellows. If I got that.
Everybody is not the same. Do you know that? If it is a smuggled item, everyone will be in the bazaar.
Hey, everything is not smuggled. There are a lot of things which belong to the olden days. It was hidden in many places.
Yeah. In olden days, emperors must have hidden that. Later, they couldn't have taken that.
Yeah, in palaces of kings, hidden caves, even in the wells, so many valuable things are hidden. In olden day palaces, wells were not used to fetch water alone. It was also used as a place to hide valuable things. There were secret paths which lead to the palace also. Many secrets and valuables were hidden in the bunkers.
How did you know this all,
For
uncle?
that you have to read history.
You mean history?
Yeah, that's right.
Uncle, is there any place is same as like?
Well, you go and search for it. There is an old palace in the Kadirvelan hills. So many things are hidden there.
I won't take any kind of risk like this.
Kadirvelan Hills. This is our chance to make a lot of money.
My name is Mohenjo-daro. Police files claim me as the king of mafia.
Welcome to our land, Mr. Mohenjo-daro. Mumbai's Don.
No, never call me a Don. I'm not a Don. I am the father of all Dons.
Okay, let's start the deal. Mr. Mohenjo-daro.
Bob, bring the stuff. All right, test it.
Hey!
Okay, that's good. We are impressed. Now tell me.
I told you yesterday, no change in that. 3C.
That's a bit too much. Can we negotiate?
I don't go back on my words. When I said 3, it is 3. Do you know how many kilos of marijuana is needed to derive 1 liter of hashish oil? 1 drop of this pot will get you millions in international market. It was your call that I came here. Consider yourself lucky. It's either healthy business or I just leave.
We are roaming here and there, but we can't reach the place.
Don't talk, just keep walking.
Guys,
Oh,
please search.
Where we'll go? Yeah, that way.
Wait. How far do we have to walk? I'm tired.
Let me see. Come.
Did you see that? That is also a well.
That one?
Come.
Hey, careful, guys.
I don't think this is a well.
Hey, when the tsunami came, no? They lost all the sand over there.
It's well only.
It has totally destroyed by the attack of tsunami.
Just keep quiet.
I think this is the well that uncle has told us. We haven't lost our way.
Okay. You just go there and check.
Hey,
Huh?
come.
What?
No man has come over here yet. Lot of treasure must be hidden inside. Yes, true.
Inside this?
Here you come. I am going to tell you something very important. Nobody should know about that.
I know you're gonna tell us something stupid. Go ahead. Nothing new, it happens all the time. Fine, tell us.
You go inside.
Who, me? Why should I go inside when you guys are there?
This is good. It is who you made the plan, right?
Hey, no way am I going inside. You go.
Hey, I'm scared of these kind of things. I will not go inside.
Such a lazy and lousy boy. Have guts and do something dadly, man. Huh. If I say something, he will go. Hey, come. Did you see this?
Ah.
You don't get inside, okay? You have too much of body weight. So
just like you.
I'm
So,
also not getting inside because I'm also having heavy weight. But Sushil is there, no?
Yeah.
He always talk but good for nothing.
Yeah, you're
always
right.
talk something.
Yeah.
He can easily get inside, isn't it?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
You do one thing. When he comes, I will tell him. Getting down is very easy. Just climb up from here. He has got less body weight. See, just like this. Just like this. Yes. Give me a support. Then only he can climb. Yeah.
Okay, climb. Hey, come here. Help him.
Yeah.
Push him.
Go.
Hey.
Our friend is really talented. I'm sure he's going to find that treasure. I've never seen such a brave person.
He's got guts to do this, man.
What happened, buddy? Why are you singing songs?
Have you reached?
Yes, I have reached.
Buddy, look everywhere.
I feel I'm blessed to be alive.
Search it.
I'm happy for that.
Hey, there is no light. It's too dark over here.
Use that torch.
Torch? I don't have any torch.
Okay, use the lighter, bro.
Okay, let me see. Hey, I'm feeling suffocation.
Don't keep telling the same thing again and again. Look properly.
Come on, search
I hope
properly.
you find something.
Sushil, I want to come there, please.
Stop acting like a baby now. Keep searching.
Again, I want to check, huh?
Keep looking, keep searching, keep looking, keep searching, okay? I don't want to hear anything more.
Hey, I can't see anything.
Hey, just see it carefully.
Just dig, you'll get something.
Hey, how can I dig without any equipment?
Why didn't you carry anything?
Once I come out, I will tell you everything.
Crazy guy.
Hey, Sushil!
What?
Hey, what happened?
I have got a red color box. It's a treasure.
Really?
Oh, yes!
Slowly. Pull. Come on. Slowly.
Let's get that box. Oh, no.
Hey, no, don't write it. Hey, wait. Not leaving you. Hey!
I'll sit on it.
Hey,
Now tell me.
what?
Okay then. How do we divide this between us?
Hey, you idiot. If you get something, you'll change your attitude, is it?
Before anything, I want to know what's my share in this. Come on, tell me, guys. Okay, for example, there are 10 diamonds in this box. 3 for you,
Okay.
3 for this idiot, and 3 for me. There'll be 1 left. How do we share it?
That's right. You don't have to struggle like that. Do one thing. You take everything. You should have a little mercy on others. Both of you know how much I struggled. I only got on in that well, okay? So tell me, this treasure will belongs to whom? Tell me, come on.
To whom?
See, do you know something? There was a secret way inside that well. Without taking that box, I could have gone through inside that way.
Huh?
If I planned like you, I would have taken that box and escaped from this place and reached Tambanu's stand. But I didn't do that. I won't do that. This is not much important
Oh,
than
I
you
know,
people.
I know what you're saying. Just give it back to me
Give
now.
it to me that.
Okay, stop it, guys. First of all, open it.
Yeah, first
Before
open-
that, let
open
me
it.
tell you all something.
Yeah.
What if there are lots of gold coins and diamonds in it? Our life will completely change. We'll become rich. We'll be the talk of the town. I can't wait to open this box of gold and diamonds. We'll sell it and get a lot of money.
What we'll do?
We'll build a big bungalow. The 3 of us are going to live like kings hereafter.
No. Shall we open a channel?
Channel? What is the benefit of opening a channel, huh? Till date, we were struggling in our life. We couldn't make anything in our life. We should make something for the next generation, okay?
Okay.
I will tell you an idea. This box is so valuable and costly. We can bury this in the land.
Good.
What's the use of burying it? Instead, why don't you put it back in the well?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
What are you saying, guys?
You're crazy. You're really stupid.
Let's open and see, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Yeah. Oh, right. Oh. Good.
He and his king. You dreamed a lot, no? Diamonds, gold coins. He built a palace. Take it and eat this. You should never become greedy for money, okay?
Somebody must have thrown this crap in that well. Don't blame me, okay?
Oh,
This is not fair. Not my fault.
you people have dreamed so much about this box. Very nice. Channel's MD, Mr. Hari. Palace owner, Mr. Sushil.
Damn!
Hey, Sushil. There is a paper inside this box.
It must be some waste paper. Take it and throw
Hey, this is not today's paper. Hurry, just see this. See this. Come on.
Huh? Give it to me. Hey, this is a key.
What?
This is the key for the treasure.
Just don't blabber like a fool, okay? Is it look like a key, huh? With this, how can we open something, huh?
Hey, I'm sure this is a key for a treasure.
Key for the treasure?
Huh?
Hey, it's a map. Wow, a map.
Okay, relax. You will do all the mistakes, then you will say sorry. Can't you change your habit?
Yeah, okay,
Always
okay.
saying sorry.
This is a map to find treasure. We are lucky to find this map.
Then we'll find out the treasure.
Really?
God has finally shown the way, guys.
Is it?
Last Friday, idiot, don't ask me stupid questions now.
I don't understand anything.
It's an olden days treasure we can't understand very easily, okay? We have to plan it very carefully.
Buddy, turn on the torch in your mobile.
Yeah.
Can't see anything, right?
I can't see anything.
Hey, show the light from the backside. I think it's all upside down. Hey, show it from the backside.
Okay.
Even if it's upside down, I'll find that treasure.
Can you see anything?
Throw
Hey,
some
put
light
the
over
light
here.
this way, you
I
can't
can't
see
see
anything.
anything.
How come this black mark?
Hey! You
What did you do?
No,
Hey, don't you have
I didn't do this.
Nonsense! He ruined everything. God! Put it off! Put it off! Fast!
Yeah. I'll bring some water.
Go! Bring the water! Put it off! Put it off!
Brother, I am taking this. I'll give you up to it. Stay back. I got the water.
Hurry up! Fire!
Come on, guys!
Hey, stop!
Hey, why are you catching me? Hey, leave it.
Women who climbed up the palm tree, who stuck up. Another woman died out of lightning. Social enemies fired the world palace. Kadirvalam palace is burnt out. 5 teams of fire force struggled to put off the fire. However, they are managed the situation.
Must have been a forest fire.
It is rubbish. It is not like that. There are some people out there.
Police suspect Maoist and mafia. This is terrible. Who is doing all these things? That old man told about the palace, no?
Yeah. The old man has vanished after that.
That what I asking you?
Oh, he must have done this.
I think that palace is full of treasure, right?
Treasure? There is nothing there.
You stupid monkey! You spoiled everything!
Hey, stupid fellow. It's all because of you. I told you to put off the fire.
Hey, how do I know? The vessel is full of white rum.
That is another problem. How they came to have their drink. It's okay, leave it. It's okay, cool. Why you are crying?
That white rum, it got wasted. We didn't get a single drop, you know? I haven't had liquor for the past 1 month.
Shit. They lost their drink, but they were chasing us, you know that? They even fired on us.
If I lose money, I'll bear it. If I have a girlfriend and she left me, I wouldn't mind. But I cannot see liquor getting wasted. I can't bear that. I really can't. They tried shooting at us, right? I'm happy they didn't throw a bomb. Who's that?
I think they must have come over here.
It's not locked. Come inside.
My name is Mohan Chadaru. Police files claim me as the king of mafia.
Boss,
Yes. Mummy!
Oh, sorry, boss.
oh, mommy!
Hmm? Susilan, Satyabalan, Harishchandran, is it not? I'll finish you in a jiffy.
Sorry, sir. We won't repeat it.
Oh, shut up! Do you think this is a game? Or do you think there's some stage play in which you act? 3 crore rupees. 3 crore rupees is the value of the stuff that you have lost. Do you know that?
We don't know anything about that, sir.
Now you know, don't you?
You just sit down. I am standing so near to the candle.
3 crores. 3 crores. 3 crores of rupees. Do you know how much is it?
After 3, 7 zeros.
Shut your mouth.
Is it wrong?
Every time you are saying 3 crores, what is the meaning of that? How can you take that such a valuable thing in a splash pot? How do we know? You should have written on that. It's cost about 3 crore. Please handle with care.
You rascal. You lost my money. And you think you can joke about it? Get all the inheritance in writing.
Sir, they doesn't have anything in their name, sir.
Shit. The bank?
Even they doesn't know about the bank account.
Get their families here. The mother, sister, daughter, whatever.
They have no one, sir.
Oh, shut up.
Sir, one idea. Their organs.
What's that?
I mean body organs. Oh god, sorry boss. It won't work out.
Not a goddamn paisa. No properties. Nobody to vouch for you. You goddamn paupers. But I need to get my money back. Do you guys have passport?
I have, sir. They don't have.
I'll get it immediately. I am going to employ you in my own company. You are appointed.
All these days you were complaining about being jobless. Now we've got a job, right?
It must be an international company.
Yeah. IB, RAW, Interpol. We'll be very famous. I don't know why they are torturing him a lot.
Satyan always tells one thing. He always wanted to be a part of a royal family. Seeing his present condition, I don't think that's going to happen soon.
Mother, I have got a job.
Shut up, you bloody idiot.
What is the problem? We have got a job.
Shut up. You and your bloody job.
You have seen so many places when you're here. Tambanu, Kirkekota, Peta, Statue and Palayam. Now did you see? Once you break off a bottle, Singapore, Malaysia. If we break the next bottle, you know where will I go? America, Africa, Antarctica and everywhere.
Dream about it.
This guy's lost it. We should kill him.
My neck.
Hey, idiot. He's trying to make us his slaves. You know that? We have to oblige whatever he says.
They'll make us do all their dirty work. Do you know that, Satyan? He's a big smuggler. He runs a big mafia. Mohan Chadaru.
You know one thing, guys? We'll be like bonded slaves to him. Just a paper into your mouth, right? They'll put chili powder in your eyes. They'll block your ears. They'll put wax in your nose. After that, you'll die in the toilet.
Let him come. I will teach him a lesson. I won't leave him. Bloody son of a bitch. If he tries to attack me again, I will chop him into pieces and pieces.
Guys, shall we inform to the police?
No, no. If we do that, we'll go straight to the jail. He has a lot of money. I doubt he's scared of the police. We are the ones who destroyed the palace. We'll be sent to jail.
Oh, I forgot that.
A millionaire is capable of killing anybody. He might become a minister tomorrow.
And nobody will catch us, right?
Only God knows about that.
We are trapped.
No. We are trapped big time.
Hey, how can we escape from them?
He said he's gonna send us to Singapore, right?
Singapore means Singapore. No problem.
What will I say to my parents?
Like you stay with your parents. Let's do one thing. I have an idea, guys. We'll escape from Singapore and get back to India.
They can't do that.
Most of my friends have performed abroad. You know something? They are mimicry artists. They got married and settled down there.
Will they be like refugees?
Nothing will happen. Let us leave from this country and let us settle in Singapore. And we can marry a girl, right? Girls from our country has got too much of head weight.
There you go, your brand new passport, accompanied with flight tickets and return tickets. You're going to Singapore. All three of you are tourists on the plane. When you get down in Singapore airport, my men will take care of you. Don't worry about it. You will come back safely. You are going to pay me back every paise of that 3 crores.
Will you please tell about the good places of Singapore? Huh?
You get down at the airport, meet my men there, and then get back in the next flight. That's going to be a job.
Is there any beach and park? Let us see that and we'll come back. And you won't lose anything, sir. We have to give you 3 crores, right? We can give you 100 or 200
Just
plus.
do what I say.
Keep quiet.
This is not fair, sir. We will come back in train, sir.
God damn you!
Sir,
I will kill you for what you've done. Get out!
what should we do, sir?
A small project to be sent there. That's all.
Smuggling? You mean smuggling?
Keep your mouth shut or he'll torture us
Sam,
again.
get that here. This is the project. Do you understand?
Eat this. Swallow it. You too swallow this fully.
Hello, excuse me. You give them chocolate, but nothing for
You
me.
too one. Sir,
There is something for you. It's here.
Thank you. Hey! What are you doing, man? Hey! Don't remove my pants! Hey!
I hope you got the information. Your flight is at night. All 3 of you board an auto and get your ass to airport. One more thing. Don't try to run away with this thing. Your debt will increase.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
You and your Singapore. Like you've been there before.
I have seen the entire universe. Stupid Mohenjo-daro.
Anyways, our loans has been deducted. That's the most important thing.
This is all your fault, idiot!
Somehow, we settled 2 crores. Now we have to work for 1 crore.
Once we settle his debt, we should try doing it again.
For what?
If we go there again, we can make
What?
money.
Nothing doing. Already we suffered a lot. Anyways, we have to escape from him.
What I'm saying
We
is...
don't want to say anything. He will leave both of you. But he won't leave me just like that. He tortured me to the core and I suffered a lot. You know something? I am like a volcano about to blast.
It's a drink.
Please give me some.
Hey, quiet.
Very good. I think I like you guys.
Thank you, sir.
You did exactly as I told. And your debt decreases. Remember that.
Sir, we have to give you only 1 crore, right?
Keep doing as I say, and that debt will disappear.
After that, the debt will be finished, sir. Then why should you think about that? If you want to forget that, just do it now.
Do you think I'm a fool? No one cheats me. No one dared to cheat the great Mohenjo-daro. You'll have to pay the interests.
Hey, he's demanding for interest. Hey, what the hell?
Are you really a gangster?
Today is an off for you.
When will they be back, sir?
It's a leave like a Sunday.
What about the next trip, sir? If we settle everything soon, you'll also be happy. We'll get some peace of mind.
You want to close your debt, but you become my bitch.
Give that to me.
Even our parent neglected us. You are the only person who supported us.
Enough. Your next project is not out of country, but right here. Transportation promotion.
Really?
Quotation. You need to finish off a guy.
Sir, we can't do that. This is not fair.
God damn you. You dare question me? It's an order.
You're no one to order us, okay?
Hey, why should we murder someone else? If we murder him means our problem will solve, right? I will beat you like that.
That's the end
We're not
of your
scared. Put the gun
life.
down.
You
Hey, put the gun
goddamn
down.
peasants. I will shoot you.
We're not
You
scared of
don't know
you.
about a gun. I don't think it's a gun.
Hey,
No.
put the gun down. Hey, stop tapping my leg.
You're golfing.
No one to order us. Big dog. Mohenjo-daro. Enough of this debt business. Get him. Hurry, get up. Get up fast. Quick. Hurry.
What?
Get up. Come
I
on.
want tea.
You're not at home.
Yesterday I didn't go home and I forgot to call and inform them. Why are you so restless?
We are in a big mess.
What do you say?
Everything's over.
What? What is the problem? You tell me frankly.
Why do I have to go through all this? It's not fair. I don't want to live anymore.
Hey, tell me what happened.
Do you remember what happened last night? All of us were so high. He gave us liquor. He mixed cocaine with the liquor he gave us.
Where is he? At what time he left?
He didn't leave. He didn't let him go.
Who?
Who else? This idiot.
Hey, what is this?
It's blood. Not only here, it's everywhere. There's blood all over the house.
Oh God. Hey, then Mohenjo-daro?
He killed him.
Killed him?
This guy.
Who's it then?
You killed him.
What?
Yes, you killed him.
What are you saying? Mohenjo-daro is dead?
You always used to say that you would kill Mohenjo-daro.
Yes.
You killed him.
Huh? My dear Sushil. What are you saying, man? How can I kill him? Oh my god. Hey, what is that?
Body. Mohenjo-daro's body.
It couldn't remove these marks.
Keep your mouth shut and just clean this mess.
Oh my god. I don't know who's that.
I'm
Take it, take it.
sleepy.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Why is he lying on the floor?
Stomach pain.
I got some urinary infection.
Body heats, sir. I've got piles.
When we come into the house, it sweats like hell.
Uh,
It will take about 1 ton water to cool down. Why don't you remove the blanket and lie on the floor?
no, sir. I find this very comfortable. like this.
I just came for a favor. Tomorrow we are all leaving out of station.
Oh, fine, sir.
Okay.
It's for a family get together.
Shall we come with you, sir?
No need. Do you have any bag?
Bag?
We doesn't have
we
a
don't have
bag,
anything,
sir.
sir.
No
when
bag,
I
sir.
return, I'll give it back.
Really, we don't have any bag, sir.
You had a box, right? A red color box? There it is.
No box, sir.
Give this to me.
We cannot give that, sir. It is not enough for you.
That I can adjust. I can pack all the things and keep in this.
No, sir. It is full of dirty dress.
We can change it.
Don't change the clothes. It won't be. If you remove the clothes, when the laundryman comes, what we will say, sir?
Just take away the clothes.
Yeah, please.
So you won't give me this box?
No, sir. This box is full of dirty dress, sir. Please understand. Understand what I am saying, sir. That is what I am saying. Please
yes,
don't
sir.
open the box.
Please
Please
go, sir.
get out, sir.
I'll do one thing. I'll go home and come.
Hey, what are you talking?
Then?
If you go home, how will we plan about the other things?
Hey, let him go. You kill Mohenjo-daro. You suffer.
Hey, don't make me mad, okay? We three did all this bullshit, you know that? Then why are you blaming me, huh?
Anyhow, we are in a mess. Is this the time to watch a glamour picture?
I was just trying to divert my mind.
All three of us got into this. So let's sit and plan.
Plan.
Start thinking.
Plan.
We can't sit here and plan. If we plan here, somebody will get to know. Let's go to toilet.
They're going to plan in the toilet.
Stop blabbering and come with us.
Okay, I'm coming.
After 12 o'clock, we can take the box, right?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think
fine.
so.
That'll do.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Otherwise, somebody will watch us. Huh? Wait,
Where's the
where
box?
is the box, man? Hey, guys, we lost the
Wasn't
box!
there any other better place you had to have a discussion in the toilet, huh?
Hey, go and search.
Oh, God. Where is that box?
Someone has taken the box now. Go and see if it's outside, you idiot. Go and get it fast, or we'll be in trouble.
Hey, come on,
go,
search
go,
for
go.
it.
Such a moron.
Yes, this is the box. Hello?
Who's
Hey,
that?
Stop there! Why did you took this box?
I'm coming from the laundry. You're the one who told me to take clothes?
Oh, me?
Yes.
Sabu comes for us regularly.
Sabu or Poppy, someone could wash, no?
You just gave me the box. Don't talk too much, okay? Hey, come on, take this.
I will wash it out. Give me.
It's too heavy. Come on. Who told you to take this box? Huh?
Then I will send
You just
Sabu.
go and wash your clothes first, okay? Hurry, he came and took the box from our house.
That house owner must have sent him.
How can the house owner do this?
When he asked, we refused to give him.
We didn't give him the box.
No.
That is the problem. Hey,
where's the box?
see, your box is going. Oh my
Hey,
God!
go and catch it. Hey, you go and catch it. I'll come.
Please help me! Please help me! Help me! Please hold my hand! Will anyone help me to take this? Hey, just hold it, hold it. Yeah, thank you. What? Huh? Let's go. Drop me there, I'll give you cash. Huh? Hey, get down. I said get down. Get down, man. Sitting yourself and enjoying, huh? Okay, I will go. Please help me to take this box. Carefully. Carefully. Hey!
Hey, what are you doing, man? Huh? Want to fight me? Come on.
No,
Huh?
no, sir, no fight.
What do you think of
No
yourself?
fight, cool down.
Get lost.
What happened to you?
Who's it?
Nothing, bro.
Is there any
Looks very
problem?
No problem.
Okay, fine. Lift him. Come
Satya!
on.
Satya! Satya, what happened?
Nothing, da.
Where?
I just fall down.
Okay, give him something to drink.
Have this soda.
Yeah, yeah. Have this. Have this. Come, come, come. Careful, careful.
Drink soda.
Drink.
Drink. You'll be all right.
Yeah.
Drink it, I say. Nothing happened. Don't worry.
Okay, brother. Thank
have
you.
some
I'll take
soda.
that. You drink. Hey, what are you
Sir,
doing?
first you drink.
Hey,
Sir, what you
don't
what are you
waste it.
doing?
Where are you
drink,
going?
drink.
Open
Sir,
your
please
mouth.
drink.
Okay, brother, you can leave now.
Are you all
Yeah, I
right,
think
sir?
you're all right now. Tell them.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you. No problem. Yeah, it's okay.
Take care of
Thank you. Thank
You
you.
just sit here for some time.
Yeah.
You know something? My belt is broken. My belt is broken, yaar.
Are you all right now?
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, careful! Hey, what are you doing, buddy?
What's happening here?
You tied your belt along with the board.
Harry, where are we going? Tell me what's your plan?
That I'll tell you later.
Oh God! Where they are going? I think they plan for new one. Yellow scooter moving fast in the road. Dash their roadside barker. How come immediately come in the newspaper? I'm lucky. I'm not in the page of expert column. Where they must have gone? Hey, leave me! Leave me!
Hey, shall we dispose it here?
Hey, not here. Just come with me.
Here, lot of people are there.
I say come with me. We'll try.
Look, he's standing there.
Suitcase.
Shit! Trying for the long time, but I can't get the signal.
Hey, we'll keep it here. Take that and cover it quickly.
Hello?
Fast.
Hello?
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Come. Let's leave. Come.
What they are doing
Quiet.
here?
Hey, just run.
Oh God! Thank you, brother. Hey, what is this? I'm not a scavenger. Why you are putting all these things to me? Bloody rascals.
I don't understand one thing. Why he's always chasing us?
Once I get him, I'll finish him off.
I feel so hungry.
Don't you feel hungry?
Hey, shall we go and see the box?
Come on, let's see. Hey, we kept the box here, right?
Where's the box now?
Hey,
Search.
hey, you kept it here,
Yeah.
right? Oh my God. It's not here. Come on, let's go.
Hey, did you see that box?
I think it's our box.
Yes, it's our box only. Go. Easy. Go.
There he is.
Where were you guys?
Where have you been?
You guys created a problem and escaped.
Who created the problem?
You two.
Don't talk rubbish, okay? All three of us created the problem.
You guys left me and ran away. That's not fair.
Oh, we have gone to hide that box actually.
Hey, guys, quiet.
Will anybody put a helmet while riding the bicycle?
Is it a new law?
Yeah, that's right. A new law. When you ride a cycle, you have to wear one.
Don't
When
lie.
you drive a car, you have to wear a seatbelt. You should never drink and drive. You know, I've been caught by the police many times. Nowadays, in my dream, if I'm going to ride a bike, I wear a helmet, you know.
Brother, if any new law comes, we will inform you, okay? Okay, you can leave.
wait,
Just
wait.
go without turning back.
Let's sit. Hurry, you remember? Where you kept that box?
When we are on the way, the Mohenjo-daro.
Hey! No!
Somewhere we hide it.
Keep
What
it
are
low.
you saying?
I'm worried about that
Don't
box.
worry, tomorrow we'll keep that box somewhere else.
See, Mohenjo-daro is dead.
Hey! Just keep quiet, okay? Somebody might hear you. Hurry, tell me, where's that box?
Already we kept that box in some other place.
Just tell me where that box is.
One second.
Hey, is it Mohenjo-daro?
For God's sake, keep quiet.
Hey, what happened?
Brother, what is the time?
Your time hasn't come. If it comes, I'll tell you.
Hey, bro, what's the time?
I'll tell you when my time comes.
What about you?
I don't have a watch. Get lost.
Looks like no one has time now.
Hey, why are
Something
you
went inside,
dancing?
man.
What's wrong with you?
What? Is he mad?
Hey, I'm not mad. Again started.
Oh, keep quiet. Tell me, where did you hide that box?
Sushil, when police catches, you tell
Hey,
that.
I told you not to speak. Keep quiet. I swear I'll bury you. You're alive. You're irritating me. Cover your mouth. Hurry. Now tell me, where's the box?
Sushil, actually we have that...
You said you don't have any watch, but you must be having a mobile phone. See that and tell me the time.
We don't have one.
No, he has a mobile phone. I heard the vibrating sound.
Same as like every day. Earthquake, price hiked up, we lost in cricket, etc. etc.
Not that. Read what's written inside.
Right.
In the inside page, you have kidnapping, rape, cheating, and fraud.
I didn't mean that.
Oh, the moment you asked for the news, I realized something is wrong. For all of you, there is a favorite magazine, isn't it? Fire. Buy that and read it.
People against the MLA. Bomb blast in Muttairar. In Tularatna temple, somebody have robbed the donated money. Women's rally. Too much of women there.
Is there anybody died?
What?
Any murder?
Answer paper from Sharlakala Shali have been vanished. Exam writing students have been suspected. There is also a photo.
Where is it? Show me.
Come on, take this.
Whose photo is this?
Your uncle's photo. Hey, it's a kidnapper's photo.
What? Photograph? How did they take it?
JCB took the photo. Will you please sit there?
I have seen this guy somewhere. Actually, I think.
What we buried is answer papers, huh?
Hey, silence. Search the box. We need to find that immediately.
Then we will search that. We'll keep this here.
Quiet. It's not like that. We should not keep that in the same place. Otherwise, we'll be caught for sure. You go and search there. Hey, you see there?
Is this the place, guys?
Hey, wait. You just want to see where we buried. Okay. Come slowly. Slowly.
I'm sure you hid that box somewhere else. It's nowhere to be seen. Instead, you buried some answer papers. We're just going around in circles. You guys are good for nothing.
Hey, what? We have to move this
No,
way.
it's very dark. I'm not able to.
What do we do now?
Guys, we want to go this way.
This is frustrating.
Come, let's check it out there. Come on.
It must be here, I think.
No. Let me see there. I think we buried there.
Where is this going to end?
Hey, cool guys. Come, let's find out.
Don't stand there. Come.
Hey, come fast.
Don't make noise. This guy is good for nothing. Mosquitoes are biting me.
Hey,
Don't you know where you buried
yeah,
it?
here.
Come.
I think it's here.
Let's see.
I think maybe here.
Lot of bodies buried here.
You guys are joking, right?
Actually, we buried here only.
Hey, I buried here itself. But how come the cross suddenly over here?
Yeah,
Let's
that's
dig it
what
up.
I'm wondering.
Hey, how can this cross come? Sushil, it's not over there. It's here. I know where I buried it.
Where is it? Stop digging everywhere. You have no sense at all.
I got it.
Hey guys, I got it. Come, let's go.
Should I carry him?
Okay, carry man, come.
Don't walk so fast. He fell unconscious on the way. I'm carrying him.
Hey, who is this?
Your uncle.
My dear Sushil, why are you so tensed about this thing?
First tell me, where did you hide that box?
We kept that box in a cardboard box. Nothing to worry about that.
Hey, all we need is a box, right?
I don't believe you. When you were carrying it, so many people saw you.
Sushil,
Hey, we kept it secretly. It can't be missed from our hands.
we have kept that suitcase in a waste box, okay? It must be here somewhere. Come, let's
All
search.
of us will be in very big trouble. I'm asking you again, where's that box?
Let us go and search. Just come. I think it's our box. We have destroyed all the evidence. And there is nothing to worry.
Thank God it's over. I have nothing to worry about.
Huh?
No. One more thing is there.
What is that, dude?
The car of Mohenjo-daro.
Should we bury that one too?
Hey! Hey guys! Look over here! The car is there! Hey, climb! See there!
Hey, please look here.
Climb!
It is his vehicle! Yes, it is his vehicle!
Hey, once again.
What?
We doesn't have a key. How can we start the car?
You must have seen in movies. All we have to do is connect those wires and it will start. I think we can start it.
Okay then. Let's go. Come on, climb up. Are you not coming?
He is going to do all the things. Why should I come?
Shut up and come with us.
Okay.
Breaking news. A powerful bomb has been found in this car over here. The car was parked near a school and the culprit has been caught. But unfortunately, till now the bomb hasn't been defused. People are scared and they say the bomb might blast at any minute. Sir, they say if the bomb blasts here, it might cause a lot of problems. Inspector, sir, there's a pipeline under this ground. Also, there's a school, a hospital, and also a residential area. It's dangerous.
We have already done whatever we can. People have been evacuated. And we have tried everything to defuse the bomb.
Why don't you move the vehicle out of the city? Or go defuse it?
Really? Then you go and do it.
Not me.
Everyone is scared to death. Is anyone brave enough to do this?
I'm sorry. Look over there. 3 youngsters are running towards the car. They risk their lives. They're trying to save the people around. We must appreciate their efforts.
Hey, I think they are coming in the black Scorpio.
Okay.
You start the bike. We have to chase and catch them.
Hey, get the paper off my face!
Just start the bike. Hey, that's my paper. I haven't read it.
You know something? There's no gas and no brake in my bike.
Hey, there is police checking. Police is out there.
What can I do? I cannot stop
On
the
your head,
vehicle.
on your head. Okay.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh my God! Police checking. You are scared about the police, right?
Is this the way you help me wear the helmet?
Till the police checking, we can't be here. If I get the paper, I can read.
Your name is something like Mohan, right?
Not something like Mohan. It's Mohenjo-daro.
Mr. Mohenjo-daro, you've looted 3 crores from me. I want to have my money back.
Only after the deal was spoken, the mishap happened. So, the money is mine.
Then I think you should be ready to die.
Don't shoot me. All you want is money, right? Don't shoot me. The money's in my car. Take it.
Thanks for your information, Mr. Mohenjo-daro. And you're gonna die now.
No. Don't kill me. Please. No. Please. Don't mash me. Don't kill me. Please. No.
Hey! Guys! Run!
Run! Come on, let's go!
Police! Run! Run!
Come on, fast!
It's a bomb! Get off! What the hell happened? Am I in heaven or hell?
Hey. Hey. Who's the leader of your gang? Whoever it is, come forward. So you're the one.
No, sir.
Well then, why did you come forward?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. This kind of situation, I come
Hey.
forward without my knowledge, sir.
Anyways, come. Give me a hand. Come on. Congratulations. Congrats. You guys have done a great job. Well done, my boys. You guys risked your lives and put the bomb away. The police team is really grateful to you. You guys are sure to be rewarded. I'll make a recommendation to the government. Don't worry. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Sir,
Who's this guy? Arrest him. All these guys were inside? Yet another one. Take him in too. Looks like an entire gang is there. Come on. Take everyone out. Oh, yet another one. Hey, come. Oh, there's no space left in the vehicle. Okay, come on. It's okay, come. We'll adjust. If I would have known earlier, I would have got a lorry. It's houseful. Who's that?
Sandeep. Smart Sandeep. Please arrest me. Arrest me.
What did you say? Smart Sandeep. Who gave you that name, Smart Sandeep?
I named it myself. Don't you like it?
Yeah, it's a nice name.
Now arrest me.
Get lost.
Arrest me and take me with
Just
you.
leave. Hey, not there. You have to go there. Get lost, you dirty pig. Go.
Guys! Sir, look.
What? Mohenjo-daro? Hey, come on, arrest him. Come on, get him. Stop. Mohenjo-daro? I can't believe it. Hey. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Do you guys know who this Mohenjo-daro is?
No, sir. No.
He's a most wanted criminal. Interpol has announced 3 crores for his head. Whoever gets him arrested will get those 3 crores. Well, for putting off the bomb, I'm gonna recommend for an award for you guys.
Is it? Thank you, sir.
But Mohenjo-daro was arrested by me. And those 3 crores belong to me. But then if you want to say something against this, I'll put all 3 of you behind the bars. I hope you understand this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
We are gonna get him some other day. After chasing him a bit. Police style of arresting. Okay, so I hope you remember everything I said.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, bye.
Sir, we have a doubt.
Yeah.
Don't you give us a cash prize, sir?
Are you crazy?
Hey. You guys have only seen the cool side of Shant until now. Violent, furious, terrible, terrorizing, and deadly. Do you want to see this side of mine? Come on, Chandy! You don't want, right?
So many things happen in our life. Mohenjo-daro, Singapore, bomb.
Thank God we got out of all the problems.
From now on,
Hey!
our life. Come on. Let's
You come here. Come here.
No.
Come on.
Hey,
You come.
I don't know to swim. Hey. Guys, I think we should stop running behind money. We can always be happy just like this.
Hey, Sushil, it's not over. See that?
Guys, look.
Whoa! Run, guys!
Even trying to catch Mohenjo-daro is an impossible task. Anyone who tries to do that is like trying to commit suicide. Do you want to know how I got out? The price on my head is 3 crores. I gave the police 5 crores and they shut up. Do you know how much loss I have faced because of you? Already 1 crore and this 5 crores. It's all added. When the bomb went off, the 3 crores in my car also went off. And the 3 crores before that. You guys lost it.
So totally 9 crores, huh?
Yeah, 9 crores.
That means we are strangled with the debts.
Oh God.
But don't worry. You have taught me a good lesson. When my enemies chased me one night, that's when I met you. After all the ruckus on that night, you guys went off to sleep. I left you and got caught by my enemies. It was then you came with my car. It was a kind of rescue. You didn't know that, but you came there at the right moment. A little more delayed, and I'd have been a dead man. You made me realize that life is much more worthier than money. And I will definitely reward you for this good deed. Do you want to know what the reward is? I'm going to write off all the debts that you owe me. Happy, aren't you guys? Huh, don't look so gloomy. Enjoy your day.
What? Enjoy the day? How can we enjoy the day? Mohenjo-daro, I'll kick you into the sea. He easily said that enjoy the day, but how will we enjoy the day, huh?
Hello. Person who beat me can forget. Even the person who see can also forget. But the victim will never forget that. You will come to know about the pain of mine. Soon you will be trapped by me.
Mohenjo-daro, I don't care who you are.
You bloody just sleep.
He says he's a don.
Definitely they'll learn a lesson from me. He must know how painful to dispose the wastage. Anyway, I got the big box. Something there will be inside.
It's all because of you, you bloody idiot! He struggled a lot because of you. We don't have any money. Say something!
Hey, you only. Get up.
Hey, get up. Get up!
Hey, Satya. Hey, he's not responding.
I said get up! What's wrong with you? Get up!
Hey, what is this?
Hey, brown bag.
Where did this come from?
Hey,
Where it is
Let's
from?
let's see.
open that. What is this, guys?
Let's see what's
Hey,
inside.
first open and see.
Okay.
Oh my God, money! God is there. This money, Mohenjo-daro kept it here and forget to take this, right?
You're right. Money.
This money,
This money.
this money,
This money.
this money is ours!
Yes. Yeah. I have a doubt. Who's this Mohenjo-daro?
Who is that fellow?
We shouldn't care about him.